Starting your own hotel can be an exciting adventure, full of potential and opportunities to create memorable experiences for your guests. It's like building a home away from home, where you can share your vision of hospitality with the world. Today, we'll walk through how you can embark on this journey and turn your dream of owning a hotel into a reality. First things first, you need a solid plan. Think of it as your roadmap to success. Start by researching the market. What kind of hotel do you want to create? Is it a cozy bed and breakfast, a luxurious resort, or perhaps something in between? Understanding your niche and target audience is key. You want to know who will stay at your hotel and why they'll choose it over others. Once you have a vision, it's time to consider location. Location is everything in the hospitality business. You want to find a spot that's accessible, attractive, and convenient for travelers. It's like choosing the perfect spot to build a sandcastle. You need the right mix of environment and opportunity. Next, think about financing. How much money do you need to make your dream hotel a reality? You might need to explore different options like loans, investors, or personal savings. Having a clear budget will help you avoid surprises and keep your project on track. Now, let's talk about the legal side of things. You'll need to register your business and obtain the necessary licenses and permits. This can feel like a daunting task, but don't worry. LegalRegistration.com is here to help you with all the paperwork and ensure everything is set up correctly. As you move forward, think about the design and amenities of your hotel. What features will make your hotel stand out? Is it the stunning views, the comfy beds, or maybe the incredible service? These elements will shape your guest experience and can turn a one-time visitor into a lifelong fan. Once your hotel is up and running, focus on marketing. You need to let people know about your fantastic new place. Use social media, travel websites, and maybe even some good old-fashioned word of mouth. Creating a buzz about your hotel will help fill those rooms and keep the business thriving. Finally, don't forget about the people who make it all happen, your team. Hiring the right staff is crucial. Look for passionate individuals who share your vision and can deliver the kind of service that makes guests feel special. Starting a hotel is a big adventure filled with challenges and rewards. But with careful planning, the right location, and a team that shares your passion, you can turn your dream into a successful business. If you need any help along the way, visit LegalRegistration.com or give us a call at 877-955-7111. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips and insights. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your hotel journey.